Now the question is on which of the following properties does the coagulating power of iron depend? First is the magnitude of the charge on the iron alone. Second, size of the iron alone. Third, both magnitude and sign of the charge on the iron. Fourth is the sign of charge on the iron alone. Answer is 3, both magnitude and sign of the charge on the iron. Why? We'll see it. Now Hardy-Scull's rule says that the coagulation capacity of various electrolytes is different. It relies on the valency of the active ion, called a flocculating ion, which is the ion carrying charge contrasting to the charge on colloidal particles. Now, according to Hardy-Scull's rule, more the valency of the active ion, more will be its coagulating power. Thus, Hardy-Scull's rule's law state that the particles carrying a charge opposite to that of Sol particles is fruitful in causing a coagulation of the Sol. The coagulating power of an electrolyte is directly proportional to the valency of the active ions, which is the ions causing coagulation. Thus, what we see is that the coagulating power of an ion depends on both magnitude and sign of the charge on the ion. Hence, the correct option is A.